Here is a proton, and here is a proton, and they are separated by a distance d. They repel each other. And the force by which they repel each other is, of course, extremely easy to calculate. We know Coulomb's law. That law is called after Coulomb. And so the force, the electric force with which they repel each other, this is just the magnitude now of the force, is the charge of the proton, which is 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19, but I have to square that. I have to multiply it by Coulomb's constant, which is 9 times 10 to the 9th, and I divide it by d squared. That's the electric force. If I want to know the gravitational force, which is the force with which they attract each other, these are repelling forces, but I just want the magnitudes here, then I have to take the mass of the proton, which is 1.7 times 10 to the minus 27. I have to square that. Remember, m1 times m2 times gravitational constant. The gravitational constant in SI units is 6.7 times 10 to the minus 11, and I divide that by d squared.